Okay, so it's March 25th, 2022. This one's been sitting on the shelf for a little over a year, just on display. 1982 HS50, originally from a go-kart, so it's a recreational spec already, and it's been fully rebuilt. Okay, all the internals are the new valve job, 4-angle, port deburring, shaved head a little bit, proper deglaze hone, new rings, new rod. That's all the basic internals that always gets done on my engines. The deck surfaces get trued out, the port surfaces, the mating surfaces get trued out, so everything seals up good. This is a ball bearing shaft, of course. Gas tank on this one is new old stock, fuel lines new, carburetors Tecumseh original that's rebuilt with a couple of little things that I do to them. Chrome kit was a new old stock chrome kit from the late 80s. Ignition system's all new, points, condenser, all that stuff. Looks really good, came out nice. Paint is urethane automotive single stage, no clear coat, just a bait or a color coat on this. It's urethane though, good stuff. And that's that. Hope you like it.